Hi everyone, this is Adeola Super. I welcome you back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. Today's video is going to be about cook with me video. I'll be cooking Nigerian jollof rice and coleslaw, known as Nigerian salad. I will start by cutting my chicken and turkey. I love to use both together. So I've rinsed it and put it in pot and place it on the gas. So I'm getting all my ingredients that I'll be adding to the chicken to boil it, all the spices. So I'll be adding it one after the other. So while cooking, I just turned this my scarf to simple hijab style, and it really come out well. And ever since then, I've been in love with this style. I really love how it come out. Ever since then, I've been turning my scarf in that way. So now I'm boiling my chicken right now. This is after I finish boiling it, so I will just put it in my fry dryer to over here. I will go ahead to start cooking my jollof rice. I've put the groundnut oil, add the onion, bay leaf. So right now I'm frying the tomato paste. So I add my blended pepper. After added the pepper, I will allow it to fry before adding the ingredient to it. So I will cover it to steam, then I will open it after a few minutes to turn it to know if it's not burning. You have to be turning it so that it didn't get burned. So right now I will go ahead to add all my spices. So at this point you can add any spices of your choice to it, so according to your taste, so according to how you like it. So just add it at this point. I use fry dryer to fry my chicken instead of frying it with groundnut oil, so they make it so nice. So I will just add my stock water so to get the rice ready. I'm using this to steep the water in order to remove all the onions from the water. So this is my rice. This is the rice I'm using. It's a president rice. It has been washed. I've washed it already. So I will go ahead and add it. Finally, here is the result for my rice. So this my rice is getting ready now. It's about to ready. Although with this my pot, I've targeted the measurement of rice that contain it. So right now I'll be adding my onions. I love onions. Also with my tomato. Please let me know in comment section if you like to add tomato to your rice. Because for me, if I haven't added it, at times I didn't add it, but for me, at the end of cooking my jollof rice, if I didn't add my tomatoes and onions, it's like that jollof rice is not rich. I didn't add tomatoes and onion. I just love to add it to jollof rice, though it's optional. It's not really necessary if you don't like it. So very simple and easy. Jollof rice is about to ready. I still need to cover it for like 10 minutes time to completely ready. So I'll also be adding butter. So So finally my jollof rice is ready. After the jollof rice is ready, I will go ahead to start making my salad. So this is the ingredient I will be using. So after I shredded this, I will show you the remaining ingredient I will be using for my coleslaw. So I'll start by shredded the cabbage. So this is cabbage. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. I also use another cabbage. So but this is not lettuce, but it's another type of cabbage. It's called spit call in German language, but it's still translated as cabbage. So I love to wash the two cabbage with hot water, not too hot, just to reduce the raw taste and also to make it a little bit tender, to make it crunchy. So right now I'm shredded my carrot, so you see how it come out very lovely. I will also cut the cucumber and I will remove the seed inside it. So I love to cut it a little bit pieces. You can cut it any shape of your choice, but I just love it this way. Here are the other ingredients I'll be using: green pea, sweet corn. So this egg, I've removed the yolk, so I cut only the white part, so I'm not using the yolk. So these are all the ingredients. I've shredded the vegetables, and right now I'll go ahead to mix it in a bowl. So I'll just be putting it one after the other. So I'll first put my cabbage, so followed by carrot. So like that I'll be adding it. I'm also adding the cucumber, the sweet corn, the green pea, eggs. Then I will go ahead to mix it together so that all can be well combined. Then I will also add another cabbage, so I'm adding it a little bit by bit so that all can be well combined together. You can use any vegetables of your choice, but this is how I want my coleslaw to be. So after adding all these vegetables together, I love to add a pinch of salt in order to combine all together and also to give it a very great taste. So I will like you to try this coleslaw, and I'm very sure you're going to enjoy it. At this point, if you are still watching, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't before, and thank you as you do that. Now the coleslaw is ready and it's about to be served, and here I'll be adding my mayonnaise. You can use any salad cream of your choice, but me, I love to use mayonnaise. So right here I'm not mixing all the salad in the bowl. We only mix the one we are ready to eat with mayonnaise so that you can keep the remaining one fresh. So I hope you understand that. My coleslaw is ready now, so I will go ahead to serve the food, the jollof rice and the salad. Although this meal I prepared for our iftar because we're a Muslim family, we're fasting, so we use this food to break our fasting and we really enjoy it. It was so yummy, guys. If you're still watching to this moment, I want to say thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and on your notification bell. Bye.